Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be making treats for the kids, aka today it's banana pudding or banana cream pudding. Okay, so for this one that we did, we used 3 jellos, 1 banana cream, and 3 vanilla flavors because I couldn't get any more banana creams. So here goes my soft room temperature cream cheese. We're just gonna mash it and add some condensed milk at first. Then we're gonna cream it together with our mixer. At this point, we will just slowly fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese banana pudding mix. Slowly, it will become lighter and fluffier